All right, for the last two questions in section 4.3, we're going to write the expression as a single logarithm with coefficient 1. Assume all the variables represent those positive real numbers. Okay, I'm going to use the second property of logarithms with the first two terms because I notice those are separated with a minus sign. So I can write this as log base c of m minus log base c of n. The two logs are split with a minus sign, so I'm going to write it as a quotient m divided by n minus log base c of u. Now using that same property, it's all this minus all this, we're going to condense that as well to get log base c. If you have m over n and you're dividing by u, we can write that u in the denominator. So this would be our final answer, log base c of m divided by nu. Check our answer and move on to the very last question in this section. We are going to write the expression as a single logarithm with coefficient 1. Assume all the variables represent positive real numbers. All right, I see that we have a 2 out in front. So I'm going to take care of that 2 out in front using this third property of exponents here. Property of logarithm, sorry. If you have a power out in front of a log, you can write that. We're going to end up writing that as a power of the argument. So this we can write as log base a of z plus 1 to the second power plus log base a of 3z plus 2. Okay, now we have two logarithms that are split with a plus sign using the first property of logarithms to condense this into a single logarithm, log base a of the z plus 1 squared times 3z plus 2. So we can write it as z plus 1 squared times 3z plus 2. And that looks like the second choice C, and check your answer. So remember those properties of logarithms and as well as being able to convert logarithmic to exponential equations. Write those formulas down, look at them daily so you can have those memorized.